First, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis not backing down as she continues to work to prosecute former President Donald Trump and others for their alleged roles in trying to overturn the 2020 election in Georgia. Good afternoon, and thanks so much for joining us for Fox 5 News at 4. I'm Tom Haynes in for Christine Spiro. This week, her office filed a motion to stop the State Court of Appeals from considering an effort to remove her from the case. Today, DA Willis spoke for the very first time since that motion was filed. Fox 5's Tyler Fingert was there. He's live in downtown Atlanta with the details. Tyler?
Yeah, Tom, good afternoon to you. Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis took to the pulpit today at a church conference in Marietta. She never mentioned the Georgia election interference case or former President Donald Trump, but it's safe to say both were on her mind.
While they over there running their mouth, I'm over here paying them no mind.
Without ever saying his name, it's clear Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis directed part of her 25-minute speech Thursday at former President Donald Trump.
I'm so tired of hearing these idiots call my name as Fani in a way to attempt to humiliate me.
Willis gave the speech at a church conference in Cobb County. She covered a lot of topics, including criminal justice, race, and the attacks she has received. It came the same week her office filed a motion to toss out an appeal seeking to disqualify her from the election meddling case, citing a lack of evidence. The defense claims Willis financially benefited from her relationship with former special prosecutor Nathan Wade. During Thursday's speech, she told the crowd her focus is her job.
I am too busy working 15-hour days, trying to use every talent God gave me to fulfill my God-given purpose.
The Georgia Court of Appeals will review Judge Scott McAfee's March decision to deny the motion to disqualify Willis. Former President Trump's attorney released a statement after the DA's office filed this week's motion. He wrote in part that it, quote, appears to be a last-ditch effort to stop any appellate review of DA Willis's misconduct. At the church meeting, Willis says her goal is to make sure the law serves everyone equally.
That Lady Justice works hard every day to serve all of her constituents.
And this all centers around an alleged improper relationship between Willis and now former special prosecutor Nathan Wade. Interestingly enough, Wade was actually at today's speech at that church. The appeals court has scheduled a hearing for October 4th. We are live in downtown Atlanta this afternoon. Tyler Fingert, Fox 5 News.
Some defiant words from the district attorney today. Tyler, thanks.